wash yourself.
No, I don't.
You cannot walk around so dirty.
Yes, I can.
No, you can.
Yes, I
No,
can.
you can.
No, I don't want to wash myself.
Juri. I don't like water. I don't like soap. Oh no, bubbles. I don't like bubbles. I don't like you. It's best I go to the south side of the world. Africa is a paradise. Then it went just as smooth as you like it. Riding an ostrich is like riding a bike. And in only 7 days, Juri knew Africa's ways and all of its animals, long, short, and tall, large and the small, and the round like a ball. The zebra and antelope, graceful and speedy, and sultry or lion with teeth made for me, and lumbering elephant, eyes that are big, and trunk that is long, and massive great feet. Let's go higher! Free! Wow! Whoa! Come on, swing! Let's swing some a little more. Oh no! This is not a swing, this is a snake! King of Africa! King of Africa! Woo! So it's really not that strange that all the beasts in wonder hold before the elephant and greedy. The marvel who there has he seen, marvel who there has he seen, that Juri Muri, ran that Juri, born beneath the waxing moon, born beneath the waxing moon. Full of bile, the elephant just roars with laughter, even Crocodile gives a smile, laughter follows, he goes after,